Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock this phone to remove iPhone unavailable. So please subscribe all any solution about phones. We are here to help. So as we get started in this video, you can see the phone is iPhone 7. You first check the real model of this phone. The number, it's most of the time written behind the phone at the downer part. It's in black, so you may not see it. Let me write for you the model of this phone to check if it's having an update. Yes, I don't see, I'm trying to see it very well. It's hard to see it, but that's the model. When you're looking or like putting it into Google to check and get a new one, a new firmware, you have to write this code. Sometimes the phones, like, they change the frames of them and they put a different one. So if they change the model, you have to use 3U tools so that it can detect the right firmware to be put in this phone, because the moment you put the one which is not like recommended for this phone, it will not work. So you end up downloading another one. Then you see, after searching for the firmware and identifying it, then they are showing the latest firmware for this phone. Then you click on download to download using Chrome. Then for 3U tools, you connect into DFU mode and put in it. Then you download the firmware. As you can see, they are showing the firmware which can be downloaded. You click download within the 3U tools. Then you have to wait for it until it finishes downloading. Sometimes it takes a lot of time, so that means I've tried to speed up this video so that doesn't take long. That means I'll come to you when it's already downloaded. Here I cancel the one which I used to download before. It takes long. You have to be patient with this until it finishes downloading, and you have to use a good internet because the firmware is always long. Then the one you've used to download using Chrome, you click on the downer part where it's showing select local firmware. Then you import that file to that, then download, then upload it to the 3U tools, then you flash. It's now downloaded. It's time to flash the phone. As I told you, I had to speed up the video so that I don't take long time to download this firmware. You click. After that, then I normally use quick flash mode so that it can skip some steps whenever I'm like trying to flash. After getting flashed, then you click there, then you wait for it to proceed. You see it's unzipping or unpacking all the files within the firmware. You wait for it as well. You don't need to rush on this point. Here you have to wait for it until it finishes downloading. or sorry, unpacking the firmware. As you see, it has started to flash the phone. Here you wait for it until it's free. It will show even complete when it's already done. See, now it's done. When it's done, it brings hello screen on the phone. After bringing it, you click on the down part and complete the setup settings of the phone. It comes like a new phone. Then before doing this, you have to be knowing the Apple ID of that phone which you are trying to flash, the Apple ID and the passcode and the password, so that it can complete the setup. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.